Right, so one of the things that stops people from making their own games sometimes it's graphics. You know, I know because sometimes I make graphics for my games and I don't feel like sitting down the whole day to draw some silly pixel art animations. What if I told you there is another way? Oh yeah. Please tell us what is the other way. Well, and of course I'm not talking about AI slop, because no one likes AI slop. Are saying, oh, it's working out for me and stuff. AI is working out for me.
Why? You're with him.
Maybe it worked out for a couple of people, but that's not the point. Alright, so what pixel art editor am I talking about?
It's Spriter.
No, it's not Spriter. It's not Spriter.
It's Pixel. It's Pixel, right?
No, it's not Pixel.
You can do that in Photoshop.
Okay. Would you let me finish the video? Okay, alright. Of course, we're talking about drumroll LPC character generator. So let's dive into it. Of course, we're talking about character generator. Character generator is free, so go ahead and download it. The link is down below, and you're gonna be like, whoa, where have you been all my life? Alright, I found it. Here it is. I'm gonna open these. Okay, so here it is. This allows you to select man, woman, orc, lizard, minotaur, and wolf, whatever. So all kinds of stuff. I mean, it's kind of crazy. I can't even believe this is free, because some programs out there, they're paid and they're actually really bad, and this thing is literally like free. I like this feature here that it does a random character. It's kind of cool, actually. This is what we're gonna use. You can mess around with like the ears and accessories and stuff like that, but for this example we're simply going to generate a random character. You can actually move those if you press WSDA. Alright, let's go for this little lion here. So we're gonna export this super lion. Alright, so it's gonna be super lion there. Go to gdevelop and let me just pull out a template here or something. What can we pull out? Something that will match. Let's try the RPG, top-down RPG. That should work. Where is my character? Here is my character. And we have walking animation 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so 1 is like facing down, so let's import that animation. Here's that sprite. By default it's 64 by 64. So go ahead and click the next button. Here's the animation. Okay, so we're gonna replace this animation. Let me just delete all these frames until we find the one walking down. It goes all the ways down to over here, so let me just delete all those frames, the ones we don't need. Alright, so that is our walking animation there, and save it. And I'm gonna try it out. And actually, that's not bad. I think we need to speed it up a little bit, but that's okay. Alright, it's a little blurry because we haven't optimized this for pixel art. We're going to do that in a second, so let me just import the rest of the sprites. The one walking left. The walking left. I should make a show called The Walking Left, which will be completely not a ripoff of The Walking Dead. That's a good show. Up to season 3. Okay, let's see. Replace those. We don't need those frames. You can select multiple frames. This is why we have to delete the frames. Okay. This one is walking right. It goes all the way down to here. So we delete the rest. And that's the preview of the animation there. That looks pretty good. Okay. We can save it. Actually, I wonder if you can select all of this. No, I won't let you go select all. I think you can select them upside here though. Let's see. No, you can only delete them. Because then we could just paste that here. That is not working. Alright, so I guess we gotta import that manually. Just a bit of a drag, but that's okay. We don't mind. Free stuff. Actually, this is a lot better than a lot of paid programs out there. 64. Okay. And replace. So now we need the one for walking left. Oh, I mean, wait, the other one was walking right. And this is walking left. And there is our animation. Again, the last one is walking up. So we have walking down. And the last one is going to be walking up. Browse images. Again, 64 by 64 again. Combine. And this one is the one walking up. Alright, and there is our animation. Alright, so here is, alright, so there is the animation. So save it. And we're going to apply this. So now we have ourselves an animation. Just like that. Alright, let me show you how to get rid of that blurriness. Oh, my camera just went full screen. Okay. Alright, let me move my camera over here. Where do we find that? That should be under our I guess I have to move again. I think this is under resources. And we gotta find all the animations for the lion, and we have to uncheck this checkbox here. Okay. I don't know if you can do it for multiples, but at the time of this recording you can only do it one by one by the looks of it. I wonder if I can just minimize this. Alright, so that's probably a good way there to do it. Can we go closer? Alright, so I think we got that done. And let's try this out again. There it is. Now we can talk to this character here. Wow, that was pretty good. I'm actually kind of impressed. Walking the path there. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye now.